If you don't have it, you don't know how much it's costing you. Dan Banister, Banister Automotive. We are in Suitland, Maryland. UVeye has gone actually above and beyond what I thought it would be. I love being able to assist the sales department when we're doing car appraisals. Cars come in, you can see if there's frame damage, you can see if there's leaks, you can see if there's uneven wear in the tires, and it really sets us up and puts us in a good position that we can put a better evaluation on the car. And then moving over to the service side, we've already seen a significant increase in our tire sales and just different things that we wouldn't normally have seen. And the beauty of it, the car driving through and seeing the age of the tire, seeing the uneven wear, but not only that, it's one thing to tell the customer, but when a customer comes in and actually show them, and they can go on the big tablet and they actually look at their car and they can see the different variations of different things that they need to get done to the car is invaluable. You know, it's one thing for a consumer or for the service advisor to tell somebody about it, but for the consumer to actually see it themselves, I mean, it adds a lot of credibility. We have a rental business at my Nissan stores, both of them. And one of the things that's difficult to keep up with is damage. And you know, before we rent a car, we take it through the UVeye machines and it shows rim rash, any damage, any scratches and all that kind of stuff. So we can point that out to the consumer, hey, this was on there. And then when they come back, we do it again, and then we can compare the two to see if there was any damage committed by the consumer or the customer during their rental. One of the things that we also do is that when we buy a car from an auction, first thing that we do is we run it right through. And we've had situations that there's been substantial damage that we were able to arbitrate and send the cars back. Just the tire sales alone, we were not very good at tire sales. Now we're leading the district at my Nissan stores because of UVeye.